The market shoots higher to our 4,200 target. Is a buying opportunity on deck? Find out next on Invest with Jacob. So the market finally gave us 5 waves up to get wave 1 in place so we can finally start to build our path toward 4350 plus. We'll get into that in just 1 second, but first, if you're new here, welcome to the show, guys. My name is Jacob Gabbard. This is Invest with Jacob, and I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get all of our daily S&P updates, our trade setups, and our buy alerts. Okay, guys, today's going to be a really quick update. I'm on my way to the VGK playoff game. Go Knights go! And I got to leave here soon, so I'm going to get this out for you guys so that you have something for the morning to go off of and understand where we are at. The market gave us 4,200 today, which is a clean 5 waves up off the low. With that, it creates a pullback opportunity for wave 2, and wave 2 pullbacks are generally fairly big. So we're going to take a look at what our support and resistance levels are so that we know tomorrow when we're looking to enter the trade. So with that, let's jump into the chart and take a look. Okay, guys, so here we are on the 5-minute SPX chart. You can see we topped out at 4209.52 and then started to pull back at the end of the day. Now, for this pullback to be wave 2, it needs to break 4180. 4180 is our first level of support. When we break 4180, that's our first indication that we are in wave 2. The second thing that needs to happen is it needs to follow through on that pullback down to either the 0.382, 0.5, or 0.618 retracement, which is why I have this rectangle drawn here, because this is going to be our support zone for wave 2. All right, so we're going to watch the pullback as it breaks 4180, looking for that ABC correction into this zone. And once we find our bottom here and start to bounce, we should be looking at the start of wave 3, which will be where we enter our next trade. This could take a couple days to fill out. It may not be tomorrow. Could be. I mean, crazy things have happened, but most likely this will take a day or two to fill out into Wednesday. If it's going to follow that path immediately off of this pullback. Now, the other scenario, besides pulling back into this box here for wave 2 support, is that this is an ending diagonal. And in that case, this will rally back up. It'll stay over 4180, and it'll rally back up past 4216 and follow through 4220. If that happens, it looks a lot like we're in the C wave of an ending diagonal targeting 4350. In that case, we will look for a good entry point above 4220 to catch the second half of that run. It'll be about 120 points or so. We'll look to catch that run up from there. So those are the two options we're looking at tomorrow. Guys, if you want to know when this buy opportunity is going to happen, you need to get in my Facebook group and on my Slack channel. There is a link down below for the Facebook group. That gives you access to the Slack channel where I give real-time market updates during the day so that you know when we buy and sell on any trade, as well as what I think is going on in the market at any given time. Okay, to get in my Facebook group, there's 2 requirements. Subscribe to the channel, so go ahead and do that now, and like my Facebook page. Then you can get access to Slack, and I'll give you all the updates. Okay, guys, so key takeaways for tomorrow. We're going to watch this pullback. As long as it's above 4180, pressure remains up. If it goes past 4216 and through 4220 SPX, then we're looking at a C wave up towards 4350 sooner rather than later. If it continues to follow through down and breaks 4180, then we're looking for an ABC correction down to 4150 to 4118 in that support box where it will bounce and come back up. There is a third scenario, very unlikely, but still on the table until it says it's not. We could come down here and blow right through this support box and back down to 4,000. To me, it's an unlikely scenario, but it is still on the table, so I want you to be aware of it. So we'll be very careful about when we buy here. We want to establish a good support bounce here and reversal, and then we'll jump in the market and look for that trade in wave 3 up to 4350 plus. All right, guys, that is the market update for today. Happy trading. We will talk tomorrow. Go Knights, go!